Hi everyone, tonight we're making green curry. So a while ago, Jeremy made Vegan Richa's green curry fried rice, which was highly delicious. And we used a green curry paste from the store because just for time's sake. And now I'm going to make the green curry paste from scratch. So it looks really simple. There's a whole lot of ingredients, but all you do is put them in a small blender. We're using a magic bullet. And then you should have curry paste. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to turn it into dinner with some veggies and tofu and noodles. I think it's going to be super delicious. Here we go. Okay, so now that the green curry paste is made, it looks amazing. Let me smell it. It smells delicious. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut up a bunch of veggies, cook some rice noodles. So I'm going to air fry some cubes of extra firm tofu at about 350 degrees for about 10 minutes in the air fryer. So if you've never cooked rice noodles before, like pad Thai kind of noodles, you don't boil them very long, maybe it's like 3 to 5 minutes, I think. Sorry, I'm not good at timing things. I'm gonna get in trouble for that. And then when you drain them, you wanna run some cool water over it because otherwise it will keep cooking and they will turn to mush. Sometimes they also get a bit stuck together if you're not throwing them in your with your vegetables right in that minute. So before you do, if you find that they're stuck together, just run cool or even slightly warm water over, room temperature water from your tap over it, and it will loosen them up right away. Once the veggies and tofu are both cooked, you're gonna add the tofu into the pan with the veggies. So I'm gonna take a little saucepan, I'm gonna put in 4 tablespoons of the green curry paste and a can of coconut milk and mix it together before I put it onto the noodles and veggies and tofu. And that should be very flavorful, hopefully. So let's see how it all goes. And yeah, so you wouldn't use the whole amount in a meal. That would be a lot and quite spicy, I would think. So you use kind of the amount that works for you. You might be a bit of trial and error. It will be for us of how much curry paste we would want in one meal. So we'll find out. Here we go. As you add the sauce, the noodles will mix in better. They can be a bit clumpy, but it all works out. When the sauce goes on, then everything kind of mixes together nicely.
Time to try Willie's green curry. You said you think it's a little weak? Or you should have put more paste in?
I don't know. I was like, don't use the whole thing, and now I'm like, I need to use the whole thing.
Oh, it's good though. I think this is delicious. No, and the flavor builds. Willie, you made a solid recipe.
Thanks.
I mean, Richa did. Good job, Richa. Come try.
You guys can't just eat out of my pan?
I'm just eating out of this.
Upset.
Huh?
People will be upset.
I would add a little bit more of the paste, but I think it's good. Like, it's got a nice flavor, but it could, like, I don't know, but I don't even know if I would add more. Like, the spice builds.
I don't taste anything. He's playing.
Your taste buds died at some point in your life because everything is bland to you.
did.
I think this is a solid green curry recipe. and load up the veggies. I hope you enjoyed Willie taking over the duties for me tonight because I was working on other things. Let us know in the comments down below and encourage her to maybe do some more videos here while she's off teaching for the summer.
Nice try, buddy.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Let us know what you'd like to see Willie cook. And check out this video right here.
You hear this, Mom?
What? No, I'm singing your praises.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Something you're trying to get out of your work.